All right, guys, so this is how I changed my daughter's hair from this to the one you're about to see now. This hair growth oil works perfectly. Okay, so this is my daughter's hair now. Everywhere is grown and full back. Yes, this oil does magic. Just make sure you follow through this short video. It's just a 4-minute video. I made it short so that everyone will be able to watch it. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we'll be using. Okay, yeah, so in here I have rosemary. That's a rosemary, dried rosemary, right? Forgive me. There you can see garlic, right? Yes, this is cloves. Yeah, in Nigeria they call it subo pepper. Yeah, it's called cloves. Okay, yeah, and the other place you can see we have rice. All right, yes, rice. You know already what rice water does to hair, but at this juncture we're not using rice water. Okay, so in that container is kernel oil. You cook kernel, bleach kernel until it produces oil. You know how healthy kernel oil is. Kernel oil is very healthy. Okay, in absence of kernel oil, I will tell you what to use. Just keep watching. So this is the container I used to use and mix it. I ran out of the one I made, so I want to do another one. I thought I should share because it's really gonna help somebody. Okay, yes, somebody really need this. So in this container now, I would be adding the cloves. Yes, you add the cloves. Okay, yes, just watch me as I put this together. When I tell you that this hair growth oil stroke hair repair oil works perfectly, baby, believe me, even if you're an old or aged person that your hair is falling off your front hair, just do this and thank me later. I mean, don't forget to give me my thank you. Yeah, so this works very well. Your child's hair is not growing, it's just, there. It's not growing, it's just there getting fuller, but you want it to grow longer. This recipe is for you. It's for you, man. So as you are seeing me, I'm adding the ingredients I showed you earlier: the cloves, the rosemary, dried leaves. Yeah, and yeah, I would go ahead and peel that garlic, slice it, and then add it into that place. Okay, yes, if you can grate it a bit, fine. Now here is where those people that will not watch to this place, that's your business. So in absence of garlic, some people do not like the smell of garlic. If you don't like the smell of garlic, onion can serve as this. Onion is also a very, very good hair growth agent. Yes, onion is not just good to your eyes, it helps your hair grow. Like if you can soak onion in water for like 2 days and use it and be washing your hair, even if it's every night for 2 weeks, you will see the magic. You will feed your head the food it needs. So after adding the garlic, I'm now adding the kernel oil. You see how black it is? Yes, that's original kernel oil. My mom made this for me. I didn't buy from market. So if you can buy from market, good. If you have someone to cook for you, good. If you want me, I sell it too. If you want, you can drop in the comment section. You need this is original. My mom cooks it. So if you want, I will tell her she will prepare for you a special one. You see how thick it is, how black it is. The market ones does not come that way. Okay, so you add the kernel oil there, you soak it there for 7 days. All right, yes, you're going to leave it there for 7 good days. Let the rice, the rosemary leaves, the garlic, the cloves, let them dissolve and release their content, their juice, whatever, into that oil. Okay, yes, they will release whatever into that oil. All right, yes. So in the absence of this oil, okay, in the absence of this oil, you will use original olive oil. If you have searched nowhere to see kernel oil, use olive oil. All right, yes. So this is strainer, 2 types of strainer, this one and the iron one. So anyone you have will serve. Okay, these two, anyone you have will serve. You just go ahead and then strain it. You just go ahead and after 7 days, you just go ahead and strain it to get these things off, and you'll be left with just the oil. All right, yes, you'll be left with just the oil. Strain it and throw the garlic, the rosemary leaves away. All right, thank you.